and welcome to my channel. My name is Judy. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please consider subscribing for soft vlogs and simple recipes like this. On today's video, I share with you how I prepare my oven baked plantain, because I do not like plantain deep fried, or rather I do not like deep fried food, whatever it is, and as much as I can avoid deep fried food stuff, I'll do that. I really love plantain, and this is my go-to recipe for preparing plantain, especially as a snack. We start off by washing our plantain thoroughly and then peeling off the skin and cutting the plantain into small pieces. Our plantain is ready for the next step, which is seasoning. So I am going to be using melted butter. You can also use olive oil or coconut oil. And then I'm also going to be using chili flakes to give it a bit of flavor, paprika, ginger, and oregano. I love the smell of oregano, and I love using it in most of my cooking. So we mix that up nicely to make sure everything is well incorporated, and then we put that on our baking pan, which is already layered, and bake that for 20 to 25 minutes at 250 degrees. I'm baking them longer because I want them crunchy. I do not want them very soft, because this is for a snack. "20 minutes later, our plantain is well baked, very crunchy. I cannot wait to enjoy this. So I'm going to serve this and enjoy alongside a cup of black tea. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Is this a recipe you'd love to try? And what other way do you love or enjoy having your plantain? Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Bye.